Here's a screencast on how to create a data spreadsheet in Google and get some color coding on the data so it visually is able to show you how the data matches with the national standards. So the first thing you need to do is create a new spreadsheet. Then you'll need to go to VTab, and the first thing you can do is go to pupil lists. And then you just need to choose the year group or class you'd like to do. In this case I'm going to do year 7s, and I actually would like preferred name down the bottom here, room, gender, ethnicity, export CSV like so. And then open the CSV up, which is a type of Excel document, and you will get a document that looks like this, and then simply copy and paste this document onto the Google spreadsheet. Now I'm only doing names at this point because I actually want to use this list of names for 3 different documents, and then very quickly I can just set up one. So if I just copy and paste it into here like so, and then if I want to I can actually duplicate this same sheet again. You'll see a second one's down here with all those names and so forth. So this is, I can duplicate this as many times as I like depending on how many different types of data I would like to have aligned. If I go back to my original sheet here, I'm now wanting to get some data. Now there are 2 ways to get data off of VTab into a CSV file. The first way is staying on the same page but actually using the pre-designed SLOs. Now it's very important you push pre-designed first, then the SLO of the data you're looking to export, then use, then the year group. Now I don't actually need to select those things because I already down here because I already have the family name etc. in the spreadsheet. And one of the cool things that any of the spreadsheets it downloads, it will put them into alphabetical order based on surname. So, excuse me. And if I just open that spreadsheet, here it is, and I can actually just copy the relevant data, and I'm going to copy the whole column, like so, copy, and then go back to my spreadsheet here, and I can actually just paste that in like so. Then if I want to get a different set of data, a second place I can go to get data is a new feature that VTab has just added. So if I go back to return menu, one plan markbook, select the group that I would like to use again it's going to be the year 7s. Then I'm going to select the data I would like to get. For instance, I'd like the year 7 star data, and then all I simply do is click advanced, and you see I have this table here with all the data on, and then up here I can click on export to XLS, which is an Excel document. That's now gone to the desktop, and I'll open that document and then select the stay 9 column, then go back to my spreadsheet and paste that data in. So then all I need to do is build up my data. My next step then is to obviously set the conditional formatting so that it color codes. So if I take the stay 9 column here, I highlight the area. Now I can select, if I've got another column that I want to set this conditional format to, I can go across like this and it will do the same thing. But I'm just going to do this column here, right mouse click, conditional formatting, and then I can simply select what I want to do. So if it's less than 4, I would like the background to go red because that's below at another rule. If it is greater than 6, I like the background to go that's above. And if I save the rules, you'll see that some of these have started to color code already.